Okay, y'all, I was gonna save the talking for the end of the video, but I am just so happy with how this hair came out. Y'all, love this hair from YGWigs. This is their water deep wave in 2730, so mix. I'm gonna just give you this right now. You need it. I've been doing YouTube, doing hair, coming on here and showing you guys different styles for 10 years now. And this right here is definitely like a top 10. And that's huge, that's big, because I have thousands of videos. It is getting warm, okay, and everybody does black. We all know how black looks, okay? And I love me some black hair, love me some brown hair, but y'all know lately I've been experimenting with different kinds of colors lately, and I think this is so pretty with the warmer months, the summertime coming. I've had this in for a couple days now, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it is so lightweight, okay? If you have fine hair like myself, this is perfect for you, and I'm gonna show you how to install this hair without breaking your hair off and actually being able to reuse this hair. Trust me on that, because a lot of times people say you can reuse it, you take it out, it's too hard to take out, yada yada yada. You can definitely reuse this. I've tested it myself. I love the texture on this. I did end up using 4.5 packs, and it's not too full, it's not weighing my head down, it doesn't make me look awkward. I really wanted something that was, you know, not too like crazy overdone, but still very comfortable when I put it in a high bun or high ponytail, which is something that I really wanted to be able to do. My whole head is braided with this look, and y'all know I am not the parting queen, okay? I can't part my hair with crap. I've never been able to, but I did my best this go around, and this hair is forgiving. Let's just put it that way. Let me go ahead and get into exactly how I did this style, the hardest part about this style, and then show you a couple looks that you can do at the end of this video, because you have so much versatility with this hair. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so YGWigs was kind enough to send me 5 packs of hair, and with every pack, okay, let's talk correctly, you get 2 small bundles. They have care instructions with each bundle as well, which I think is a perfect touch, because a lot of companies are missing that these days, and I don't know why. But here's how the hair looks, super soft. I did do an apple cider vinegar rinse before I installed it. And y'all, what I'm about to do now, this is the hardest part. This was the hardest part for me, was braiding my hair and parting it. Y'all know I do not part my hair. I love styles that don't require great parting, which is why I love crochet styles, because they're very forgiving. But it took me about an hour and a half to part and do half of my hair, like to braid it all. Like it was a lot for me, okay? So my thought process was to not braid the entire braid, which is why you see just a little bit left, because I was gonna attach the feather crochet at the end of the hair, but I was like, my hair is fine, and I just didn't want to do that. I was like, what is the easiest way possible? So after I did this side, like the back that way, I just went on ahead and braided the front, twisted the ends as I got closer to the front of my head, because the front of my head is a lot thinner, and just like braided all the way down, y'all. And I'll show you why in just a minute, because it's gonna stay anyway. So I will put how many braids I have total in the description box, so make sure you check it out. But y'all, this feather crochet is light. It is truly light, and I love the color on it. They did such a really great job with this color. Trust me, for the summer, y'all, please trust me, get rid of the 1B, okay? Step away from the black, the 1B, the 1, and get you some color. Try something different. All I'm doing right here, y'all, this is the easiest part, and this is the part that I want you to really take away, these 2 things. Let's talk about how I install this with my fine hair. I'm just taking my crochet needle, I'm sticking it through the braid, I'm attaching the crochet hair on, obviously, the crochet hook, pulling it through, and then afterwards, what I'm going to do right here, after you pull the hair through, this is me pulling it through the braid, I'm just going to twist the hair together, like you're just doing a 2-strand twist, not involving my natural hair. This is going to make it stay, trust me. Now you want to twist it a couple times, okay, more than a couple times. You want to twist it like 5, 6, 7 times, okay? And it's really fast, it's really quick. Y'all see me twisting it right here. This is going to make it stay, but it's so much better than using the knots. And I've said it a billion times, if you knot this hair, you will not be able to use it, because you will not be able to take that knot out. This hair is truly reusable, and I highly recommend doing it this way, whether you have fine hair, thick hair, it really doesn't matter. Just find a way where you don't have to use the knot, because I'm sure there are others out there, and you'll be able to use this hair on multiple installs if you take care of it, which is what I'm going to show you how I think you should. As far as how I installed it, y'all, I didn't put that much at the root, at the base of my braids, and with every braid as well. I did about 2 to 3 strands in the front, and then in the back I did more like 3 to 4 strands per braid. And I like to say this is one of the many, okay, not many, benefits of having fine hair, because we can just attach the hair to the braid once it's already braided, if y'all get what I'm saying. That's why I didn't attach it and then start braiding, because you can just slip the crochet needle right through and your hair will blend seamlessly. So y'all, this is like my second time filming this, so I have been working with this hair for quite a while. So I was like, you know what, I always show you guys how to style this hair and stuff like right when I put it in, but this is like some days later. So what I've been doing every couple days is just applying water, detangling with my fingers, and then I applied a little bit of my Dyson leave-in conditioner, or leave-in style cream, I guess I should say. I gently detangled with my what is this, my brush, my Tangle Teezer brush, yes, and then I added my Mazzani foam on top of it. And that's it. Like, this will hold you for a couple days. I would say about 2 days. And then of course you want to refresh it, but this hair does not tangle. Okay. It does not tangle. It's not falling out. I've got no slippage, and it holds so well. Like, what I used this go around was absolutely perfect. So again, a little bit of water. We're going to finger detangle. I'm using a style cream or a curl cream. This is my Dyson curl cream. And then really working that through, lightly brushing the hair. You don't have to go ham on this at all. And then my Mazzani style foam. Now this hair can get as big as you want or as flat as you want. So if you want it a little flatter, which is something that I like as well, which is why I did not put a lot of hair towards the front of my face. Y'all know I'm just not the girl who likes all that hair in her face. I would use a gel, a harder gel, to really make sure the hair doesn't puff up, especially if you're in a humid climate or anything like that and you don't want like big lion hair. Some of us want it, some of us don't. There's time and place, all that great stuff, but that's just something else. You can use another product on this hair. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll probably try it because I'm headed to Houston soon, and y'all know it's already hot and humid down there. So there's that. Y'all, I look so tired right now because my husband had been gone for the whole weekend on business and I was exhausted, but look how cute this came out. Okay, but my neighbors were horrible upstairs. I did not get any sleep being the man of the house, but y'all, look how cute this style is. And I wanted to show you guys different looks with my glasses, with sunglasses, just so that you can get a vibe of if you're at the office, if you're a corporate girly, or if you're on the beach, vacation, you're with the family, you're with your girls, you're with your boo. Like, this is such a versatile style and I love it. It is exactly what I needed. And as y'all can see, I'm not afraid to call myself out. My hair is not perfectly parted or anything like that, and that's okay. You can DIY this style and it come out beautiful. So do not be afraid to do it yourself at home. Y'all make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything down there that you need. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys. Let me know if y'all have any questions or comments, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.